Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing my yard. It's January 23rd, 2021, and now our mango is flowers are starting to pop up. As you can see, those flowers are from the mango. Our staghorn ferns are doing great. Gumbo limbos, same as always. Those blackberries, I mean, they're ready. The seeds are dried out. And when you come over here to our little garden, you can see there's there's some milkweed right there and a red lady papaya. The milkweed is the host plant of the monarch caterpillar. So that's its host plant. We get some of them in like summer, be spring. So, and over here we have some Everglades tomatoes popping up around there. We have the winged bean right there. And we have a banana right there. And if you come over here, we have these cabbage palms, which are like little palms, and if you cut into them enough, there's this white stuff on the inside that can be used as like a salad, a cabbage kind of. And Brogden avocado is right here. It looks like it's starting to get flowers. And the arecas are doing good right there. And then you come over here, our birds of paradise is doing good. And our sea grapes still doing well. And over here is, you won't believe this, but this is actually an avocado. This is an avocado tree. Look way up there. It's all, and it has avocados on it that are like this big. They're real big avocados. And come over here, here's our bananas. There's actually bananas on that one right now. They just lost their flower, and we're about to pick them. Then come over here. This is a Hawaiian tie, and these are spider's warts, and I'll show you a better picture of them over here. You come over here, there's baby spider's warts, a gumbo limbo, they're real weird trees, and then some sea grapes there. So, let's go walk back down to the river and okay, good. So we just got dragon fruit, and I'll show you the plant. Great, Reese. Great. You go in there. I'll show you the plant I've seen them, Reese. I'll show you the plant that dragon fruit comes from. It's over here by the fence. It's this cactus looking thing. See right there? It's dragon fruit. Then come over here. We have palm trees and a mangrove palm right there. Come down by the river and I see a coconut palm. And up there's some coconuts. Those look ready to pick. And if you look up there, some nice coconuts. Over here, some more cabbage palms, a nice sea grape. There's a big mangrove, and there's over here, there's a everbearing, there's I think an everbearing mulberry. over here. It's right there. Because it's like winter, it lost all its leaves. But here's a white mulberry. This is a white mulberry. And now, I'll bring you up to the front garden and show you what's up there. So this dragon fruit grows like a vine, and it could grow up trees and stuff. And also, see that plant up there coming off the palm tree? That's called a strangler fig or a banyan tree. It strangles the palm and then it wraps around it, kills the palm, and it's like a vine. And it just climbs up the tree and strangles it because it's a strangling fig. And over here, some more cabbage palms, some palm trees. And then we're coming up here and we're going to our garden.